The Thule Landmark 40-liter pack seamlessly combines the organization of luggage with the comfort of a trekking backpack, making it an ideal choice for extended travel adventures. With its suitcase-style opening and internal compression straps, this pack allows for easy packing and retrieval of gear, ensuring everything stays securely in place. A large SafeZone compartment offers excellent protection for valuable items such as a phone, sunglasses, and cords, while a hidden CashStash pocket ensures your passport and money are safe from potential theft. Innovative security features like LoopLocks and lockable zipper pulls provide peace of mind by deterring theft during your travels. Designed with comfort in mind, the backpack features gender-specific fits and a suspension system that makes carrying it across countries a breeze. The streamlined design includes tuck-away options and a back panel cover to prevent damage, making it perfect for both carry-on and checked baggage scenarios.